A lot of people want to use TikTok seeding tools to scale faster, but they're worried about one thing: will using a tool damage their main TikTok account? I've been using automation tools for many years, and in this video, I'll tell you the truth. Hi everyone, today, I'm going to introduce a software that can help increase views and engagement on your TikTok videos. Of course, this software has many other features, but in this video, I'll focus only on how to increase views effectively. This is the main interface of the software. You simply paste your TikTok video link here, and the software will automatically do the rest for you. You can add unlimited video links at the same time. The tool supports likes, comments, shares, and even follow actions for the target account. If you want the behavior to look more natural, you can enable random actions, so the order of likes, comments, and shares is mixed, making it look more like real human behavior instead of a robot. For the comments section, I've already added the comment content I want to use here. For example, if I'm seeding a fashion sales video, I can add comments asking about price, product quality, or whether there are any special promotions available. You can add multiple comment variations and click Save. You can also make each account post a different comment by disabling the option that allows duplicate comments between multiple accounts. Once you finish setting up all the options you want, just click Start. The software will automatically run everything for you. While the software is running, let me answer a question many people are worried about. Does using a seeding tool affect your main TikTok account? Basically, a seeding tool does not directly affect your main account as long as your main account is not logged into the software, does not perform any automated actions, and is not controlled by the tool. The software only controls the seeding accounts to create external engagement likes, comments, and shares on your main account's videos. Because of that, TikTok does not consider your main account as an account that is using automation. From TikTok's perspective, your main account is simply an account that posts videos and receives engagement. TikTok does not punish accounts for getting a lot of interaction. What it evaluates is the quality of that engagement. In other words, TikTok doesn't care whether engagement comes from manual actions or from a tool. What really matters is whether those interactions look like real user behavior.